Namaskar, मैं मानसी गुलाटी और your face yoga expert. Today we are doing face yoga for radiant and glowing skin. So let us start. Close your eyes, relax yourself guys. Stay calm and happy always. Beauty is a process that is developed inside and visible outside. So let us do 5 poses. First, we are going to start with squeeze tapping pose. Inhale. Relax your facial muscle, release all stress that help to increase blood circulation, reduce toxins and very good for reducing wrinkles too. Now let's do second pose, air puff pose. Shift air right to left properly. Swipe pose. Hold. Try to press here, center of your forehead. That helps to stimulate your nervous system. Swipe. Tilt your head up and release. Let's do this again. Balloon palming pose. We can feel the stretch. Let's do this again. Inhale, fill your mouth with air. Let's do tapping pose. It's very easy. Hold here first. Hold here. First, press it properly. Okay, now we are going to start with the forehead. Look down, do the tapping. For your face, make a balloon. Let's do this again. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. With this, I request you follow diet also. After 5, stop eating oily food, junk food, no sugar, no salt after 5, and drink lot of water. If you like it, please do share and subscribe. We'll come back again. Thank you.